Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right. Just eat it, eat it, eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Just eat it, eat it, eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and eat it. Don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right. Just eat it, 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 eat it.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Wednesday, March 11, 2026. Opening brief. Hey, what's good my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in travel channel hosting. It's Wednesday and March Madness got folks traveling like they're immune to consequences. Today's tea. Customs lines, drone drama, and European airlines doing the most. Let's ride. First brief. Global entry is back, customs lines been acting like a theme park. What that blue said to Rattles was, so boom, DHS restarted global entry today after suspending it back on February 22 during the partial shutdown. Industry groups pushed hard, and the government reversed course. The big point, when global entry was paused, some travelers got hit with 3+ hour waits coming back into the US. See? This right here is the human equivalent of a PowerPoint set to confusion mode. We paused it. We unpaused it. We never paused it spiritually. Meanwhile you're standing in customs like a Lost Sims character with no free will. Grown folk move, global entry is back, but TSA staffing and shutdown issues can still keep airports messy, so don't show up like the line gone, respect your time. They sell speed like a luxury product, then pause the product. Real freedom is knowing the rules before you pull up. Second brief. Drones near Dubai airport, and Gulf travel still in chaos. What that blue said to Rattles was, now the global mess. Reuters reported 2 drones fell near Dubai International Airport, with 4 people injured, but Dubai authorities said air traffic stayed operational. Still, this shows how unstable the region is right now, and it's keeping tens of thousands of flights cancelled or rerouted across the world. Baby, Dubai is usually luxury and leg day, now it's check your alerts and keep your passport close. This is why I keep telling folks, your vacation ain't a vibe if the airspace is in argument mode. They want you booking fast and thinking later. Nah, real winners do the homework, then move. Third brief. Lufthansa pilots striking March 12th to 13th, Germany flights about to get rearranged. What that blue said to Rattles was, now Europe, Lufthansa pilots are set for a 2-day strike starting March 12th over a pension dispute. That can hit passenger and cargo flights out of German airports. Reuters also notes some Middle East flights are exempt because of the current regional situation. This is that strategic recalibration energy airlines love. Like, we value your loyalty, but your itinerary will be fighting for its life. If you're flying Lufthansa this week, check your flight like it's a situationship, daily. They'll have you arguing with the app like it's a person. Don't. Pivot early, save yourself stress. Wildcard brief. Los Angeles really the sunniest city in the US, 3,257 hours of sunshine. No wonder everybody acting main character. What that blue said to Rattles was, alright fam, according to a book retreat study highlighted by Travel Plus Leisure, Los Angeles got clocked as the sunniest city in the US, with 3,257 hours of sunshine per year, aka the sky is basically on payroll. LA got so much sunshine it'll have you thinking you're the star of your own movie, then you hit traffic and the universe humbles you immediately. How to catch the sunshine like a grown person. Beach day, Santa Monica/Venice for big energy, Manhattan/Hermosa for calmer vibes. Urban hike, Griffith Park, Runyon, Topanga, get the view, get the glow, get that I'm working on me content. Fun fact, in that same list, Orlando was number 2 in the US with 2,930 sunshine hours. They'll sell you perfect weather like it's happiness. No, sun helps, but the real flex is planning your day so you actually enjoy it, and don't spend it mad in traffic. Travel tip of the day. Ladies, stop packing like you're moving apartments. Fellas, stop bringing just-in-case tools like you're about to rebuild the plane mid-air. Travel light, travel smart. Fourth brief. London tube drivers announce strikes later this month. What that blue said to Rattles was. Reuters says London Underground tube drivers, RMT, plan 24-hour strike starting March 24th over schedule changes. If you got London plans late March, bake in extra time and check updates. Fifth brief. Vegas tournament travel loading, WAC 20 starts today. What that blue said to Rattles was. The WAC basketball tournament runs March 11th to 14th in Las Vegas, Orleans Arena. That means hotel prices and ride shares will start acting brand new. Sixth brief. Bahrain airspace mess equals Gulf Air its special flights out of Dammam. What that blue said to Rattles was. Gulf Air announced special return flights from Dammam to places like London, Mumbai, Bangkok due to Bahrain airspace disruption. Closing brief. Alright my travel fam, that's today's tea. Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready, perfect preparation prevents poor performance. And when you're planning your next move, compare it smart at breathtakinglagoon.com. Stay booked, stay blessed. Peace. Rattles out.
Babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you're booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye!